Alright, I know we can go over there if we can find a way. But I think up these stairs, I think I see a door over there somewhere. Whoa, what was that? What is up, fam? Welcome back to another scary adventure, guys. I am in Richmond, Virginia. I am at a crazy, scary location. A place that has so many stories behind it of scary hauntings, guys. And I'm getting ready to do it alone. I hope you guys are ready to do this adventure with me. And let's do this, fam. Let's go. All right, fam. So I found a way in right here. This is kind of freaky. Wow. I hope there's nobody here. Okay. I guess we can't go this way. Oh, jeez. Okay, I guess we're going up, guys. Hopefully these stairs are good. Oh man, what the hell is up here? Whoa. Wow. This is pretty crazy. Now you guys may notice in this video I point to the ground a lot, and that's only because I need to be able to see. And that's literally the only way I can see is through my screen, so. Whew. I'm not sure where to go. Definitely keep your eyes open, guys, because my last video I did at the haunted prison was actually on national news. If you didn't see that, I'll put a link to it. But I caught something super creepy on camera, and I don't know if it was a person, if it was some kind of shadow thing or some ghost, I don't know. That doesn't look good. All right, I don't think this goes anywhere over here. We need to get to the other side. All right, I know we can go over there if we can find a way, but I think up these stairs, I think I see a door over there somewhere. Whoa, what was that? Okay, I just heard a freaking noise. Okay. Okay. What the hell was that? Okay, this isn't scary at all. What the hell is it? Okay. All right. I swear I heard a noise though. All right. Oh, this is like a second story, I guess. Fresh air. I'll take it. What the hell? Huh. Oh, what? Wait a minute. Fulton Gas Company? Wait, that's the building I thought I was going into. Huh. Okay. Second time today I've done this, guys, where I went to go to a place and found something really cool right next to it and thought that was it, and it's not. I don't even know what this place is that I'm in right now. We're gonna go check out that place. All right, I don't know if we can go back here. I can't really see too well. If it's a dead end or what. Gosh. No, I think, wait a minute, is that a door? Oh, maybe you can keep going this way. All right. I think we found a way to the other side, guys. Huh. Whoa, what is that? What's down there? Oh, jeez. All right, we might have to, let's just keep going. I don't know if I want to go down there. Maybe if there's some stairs somewhere, I will. Oh, maybe right here. What the hell? Oh. Okay. Push me, please. Don't push me because I'm close to the... What the hell? Okay. All right, let's be careful, fam. Yeah, I don't even know what this place is. I thought this was the place across the street, but... Oh, jeez, come on, James. Look. What's that say? Heat Myrrh. Shout out to Heat Myrrh, I guess. Okay. Definitely not going there. Hello down there. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be going that way, guys. Okay, let's go back. There's holes everywhere. Definitely gotta be careful here. All right, here's our way down. All right. I don't know. I don't know, fam. Okay, that looks kind of spooky. Huh. You guys want to go down there? Oh boy. Hose? I hope there's no spider webs. I've seen enough of those. What the hell was that? Can you guys hear that? What the frick is that? Oh my god, I'm so scared right now. What the hell was that? What the frick is that? I hope my audio's picking that up. That sounds like freaking growling. I don't even know if I want to go, guys. What the hell is that? This may be very stupid. Dude, how does it just stop? How does it just stop? What is that? I'm like freaked out. I think there's like a dragon around the corner. What in the hell? What the hell? Oh God. What the hell? I'm so scared. Whoa! What the fuck? What the hell was that? Oh my God. I don't know, guys. I don't know if I can do this. I don't know. I'm sorry, guys. I can't. I just can't. This one's too bad. That's freaking me out. Oh my God. What the hell is in there? Alright, fam, we back. Now, if this picture right here you're looking at does not look familiar, then you probably missed my live stream, because I just got done live streaming, guys. I'll put a link to that right up here if you want to take a look at it. But that was the building we were just in over there. And I came over to this building, which we'll take a look at here in a second. I didn't really notice anything crazy about it, but guys, on my live stream, I was in there. Now, do you remember just a little bit ago when I got freaked out with the crazy noise and whatever that was in that hallway under that tunnel thing? Well, I live streamed that part again. I built the courage up and I went because I was live. I got super close. Maybe you guys already know this, but everybody's telling me it was 2 baby vultures. And for some reason, everybody says demon vultures. So I don't know. It was really scary though. Since we're up here already, I guess I will show you what's in here. Not much to it, to be honest with you. I like these windows though. Those are really cool. Yeah, there's really nothing down here. It's just whatever this machinery is. I'm not sure what it is. Maybe you guys could tell me. Well, I guess the fact that we're at a I don't even know what this place is. An old paper mill? Something like that. So that's the building we were just in. I still haven't explored the whole thing yet. So we're gonna go back. This building that was right next to it that I thought was like so great, there's not much to it, to be honest with you guys. I mean, that's the upstairs and that's the down. So there's nothing here, literally. However, I did see another abandoned building across the street over here. Right over there. I think it's abandoned, so I'm gonna go check that out later and see what that's about. But for now, let's go back and see the demon vultures. I don't know, I really don't want to go back to the demon vultures, but I do want to explore the rest of this place. Trying to see how to get in from here. Okay, it has to be creepy, doesn't it? Now I gotta watch out for freaking demon vultures coming after me. Damn, what is this? Okay, I haven't been in here yet, guys. What the hell? Do you guys notice a lot of times I film on the ground? That's not bad camera work. That's me making sure there's not holes. Just in case you guys didn't know. What in the world is this? Okay. Just a bit freaky. I'm glad I came here during the day, guys, because this place is a death trap. I could definitely get hurt here at night. Okay, that goes outside. Okay, another building. Whoa. Huh. Wait, what is that? What is that? I can't even see what things are right in front of me sometimes. What the hell? What in the world? Okay. That's not scary at all. What the hell? I don't know, fam. Looks like a freaking waterway down here or something. I don't know, is that... I think that's like water. I'm gonna walk the... Oh, God, it did it again. What the hell? Definitely have to be careful, guys. This is so uneven. Wait a minute. I just heard voices. I don't know if it was from outside. Okay. What in the hell? Okay. Huh. I guess that's it. There ain't really much to the... Is that a doorway? No. Something just fell. Okay. Is this thing collapsing or what? Gosh. Alright, I'm getting out of here. I don't think this place is too safe. Well, we already know it's not safe. Much nicer outside, guys. Just a great breeze out here. If I was in South Florida, it'd be so humid right now. It's a really cool property. I definitely love these historical places. Okay, so this is where we started out, guys. Oh, man. All right, well, I guess that's everything. I mean, we checked out this entire place. There wasn't much to the other building. Those freaking demon birds, vultures, whatever they were, all I know is this sounded like a damn dragon. Like you could hear something breathing and making a noise, but thank God they didn't try to attack me. And thank God the mother wasn't there, because I had her babies cornered, I guess. That's what they were. Let me know in the comment section down below, guys. What were those? Was that really vultures? Because I'm kind of at a loss for what exactly it was. So I'm getting out of here, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you smash that like button. Make sure you follow me on Livestream, because I'm going to be doing live streams every single day this week, guys. And thank you for just being there for me, guys. I appreciate everyone that was at my live stream, making sure I was okay. You guys are awesome. And I'm off for another adventure, guys. Hope you join me next time. Love you, fam. Peace. What is up, fam? Welcome back to another very scary video, guys. This may be a daytime video, but this may be one of the scariest videos I've ever made. I am in the worst area of Richmond, Virginia. As a matter of fact, I just read something about this area, that it is literally the worst area, and there's been over 25 murders right here in this area. It's called Church Hill, aka Murder Hill, and I am freaked out. I tried to do a live stream, there's no connection. I've walked around this building, I've only been able to find one way in, guys. Wait till you see this. I hope you're ready for this adventure. Smash that like button. Let's do this, fam. Here is the only place I just moved this. This is the only place I think I can get in, possibly. And I don't even know. The problem is, that's a good 8-foot drop, maybe. I can get down there, but how the hell am I gonna get out? It's starting to rain, so I moved to this, so at least I have a little bit of a way up. I wish I could see in there better to see. I hate to go down there and then there's only like one single room. Let's do this, fam. All right, fam, I made it down. The only problem is that does not look very inviting. I need a oh God. They're everywhere. Oh my God, this is bad. This is really bad. Is that a stick or something? Yeah, I need that. Oh yeah, perfect. Perfect. Okay. What the hell am I getting myself into? Oh my God. Oh my God. Guys, look at this. Oh my gosh. Wait, don't tell me this is the end. Please, no. No, I did all that for nothing. No freaking way, guys.
Woo! The sunrise, late nights, wishing that this would be over. Cold eyes, the same fights. We won't be getting any closer. We're supposed to be young, dumb,